Your toddler has big tantrums 1 minute, but then plays alone happily the next. Most parents assume this is normal independence. They believe it will sort itself out eventually. Actually, it could be a subtle sign. The 24-month window for emotional co-regulation is closing fast. Let's look closer at the hidden milestones. Today, we are uncovering the 5 quiet milestones that lock in lifelong co-regulation. After this, you will know how to cement your child's biological blueprint. The prefrontal-amygdala wiring gets strengthened before it is too late. This prevents future emotional literacy gaps. It builds resilience that lasts into school age for your child. Imagine neuroplasticity as a high-speed train. Once this developmental window passes, the next train runs slower, and the emotional ride gets bumpier for your child. The truth is, acting in this window makes future regulation easier for everyone. Now, let's break it down into the science. Here are 5 simple steps to engage those quiet milestones. Each one targets the hidden wiring most parents miss in their 18 to 30-month toddler. Step 1. One quiet milestone is limited pointing to share interest. Your child points to request a toy or snack, but rarely to show you something exciting like a bird outside. Most parents see this as normal toddler behavior. They think it is just independence or shyness. The hidden wiring is underdeveloped joint attention circuits. This affects the prefrontal amygdala link for emotional co-regulation. To lock this milestone in, get on eye level every day. Point together at the exciting object. Match their energy with your voice and face. Say something like, "Wow, look at that." This triggers mirror neurons right away. It starts building the emotional sharing pathways in the brain. The brain learns to connect feelings with social support over time. This cements the blueprint for better self-regulation later. Now, a clinical reality to consider. Every nervous system has a different baseline. Some toddlers may need many repetitions to respond fully. That's perfectly normal for their unique brain wiring.
Step 2. Another quiet milestone is infrequent social referencing. Your toddler faces a new toy or loud sound, but does not glance at you for emotional cues. Most parents overlook this as the child being independent. The hidden wiring is weak social referencing pathways. This makes the amygdala less calibrated for daily stress. To engage this milestone, gently call their name in those moments. Smile and show calm on your face. Encourage them to check your expression for safety. This builds social referencing pathways in the brain. It helps the amygdala learn safe responses faster with your help. The connection between emotion and regulation grows stronger. Keep in mind, every nervous system has a different baseline. Do not force eye contact if your child seems overwhelmed at first. Give them space and try again later. Step 3. A third quiet milestone is prolonged parallel play without bids. Your toddler plays near you but never tries to engage you. Most parents think this is fine and normal at this age. The hidden wiring is missing shared emotional mapping in the brain. This delays the architecture for cooperative play and regulation. To shift this milestone, offer a toy during their play. Comment on what they are doing with genuine interest. Say, "Wow, your tower is really tall today." This moves the brain from solo activity to shared mapping. It strengthens the architecture for future emotional co-regulation. The nervous system learns to seek connection during play. Now, a clinical reality to consider. Biological constraints mean some children shift slowly from parallel play. Give them time without any pressure to interact.
Step 4. The fourth quiet milestone is rare emotional labeling or gestures. Tantrums happen without your child using words or gestures for feelings. Most parents assume they will learn emotions later on their own. The hidden wiring is limited practice for the prefrontal cortex. This leaves the amygdala in charge during distress. To lock this in, label the emotion calmly during the moment. You feel frustrated right now. Then offer a hug when they are ready to accept it. This activates mirror neurons for emotional understanding. It gives the prefrontal cortex practice calming the amygdala response. Recovery from upsets gets faster with repeated practice. Keep in mind, every nervous system has a different baseline. Start labeling during calm moments to build the habit first. Step 5. The fifth quiet milestone is slow recovery from tantrums alone. Your child has trouble calming without your active help. Most parents see this as typical toddler emotions. The hidden wiring is the closing window for full co-regulation circuits. This impacts long-term emotional literacy and resilience. To cement this, make serve and return part of every routine. During meals or bath time, respond to every gesture or sound. Copy their actions with matching enthusiasm and words. This cements the full co-regulation blueprint in the brain. It protects the critical window before it narrows further after 30 months. The nervous system gets wired for better self-control overall. Now, a clinical reality to consider. Not every toddler hits these milestones at the exact same pace. Genetics and daily environment both influence the progress you see. Look, by using these 5 steps every day, you are not just handling the surface behavior better. You are building the hidden architecture of your child's nervous system. The 24-month window is still open for your 18 to 30-month-old. Use it wisely to secure lifelong emotional skills. I know how that feels when the science clicks and you see the quiet signs. Does that make sense? If you want my early brain blueprint with the full checklist of hidden signs, just comment brain wiring below and I'll send it to you. If this helped you see your child's world differently, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a deep dive into your child's development. Thanks for watching, and keep building a strong foundation.